Task audit process is as simple as over the next 1 to 2 weeks, write down every single thing that you do in your business, like everything from sending an email to answering a phone call to going out on site and doing a quote to ordering stock. Like write down everything. And then next to it, write down how long it takes you to perform that task and how often. Once you have that list over 1 to 2 weeks, then you want to go through and work out where it falls under the acronym of DOCS, right? D stands for delegate. Is it something that at some point in time, maybe not now, but I can delegate to a team member, meaning delegate is to somebody in my organization. Now, you might be a sole trader right now, but is it something in the future you can delegate to someone internally? Is it an O? Is it something I can outsource? Can I actually hire somebody outside my organization, whether it be a virtual assistant to do my books, whether it be a bookkeeper, a marketing agency, even a contractor's somebody outsourced, where they're not an expense, they're not a bottom line expense on your payroll, P&L, but it's outsourced outside the organization. So you pay for it as much as you need it. You don't pay for it. Is it a C? Do I have to continue it because me as a CEO, me as a business owner, it's required that I do it? Now, what you might find is you want to put a lot of C's next to everything because you're a freaking control freak. Now, that's normal when you're starting a business, but do you actually need to continue doing it? And lastly, S, right? S is stop. Should I just stop doing it because this actual thing that I'm doing is not moving me closer to having more money, having more time, or having the business and life that I dream of? Once you go through the task audit process, it's going to create a lot of clarity around what tasks can I start to group together, and do I actually need a tradesperson, i.e. apprentice or contractor or full-time tradie or general contractor, or is it maybe someone in the office, or is it a virtual assistant? But that will provide you with certainty before just going, well, I just need more staff. I'm so ran out, I'm so busy, and make that impulsive decision, which costs you a lot more in the long run.